Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about storage classes in C++ programming. The storage classes describes the scope, visibility and lifetime of a variable functions in a C++ program. And the syntax is, first you have the storage class, then the data type of the variable, and then the variable name. And there are 5 types of storage classes available in C++ programming, and they are auto, register, extern, static and mutable. So first we are going to talk about the auto storage class. The auto is the default storage class for all local variables within a block. Like an example, here inside the block we have one local variable integer x, and also we can use the auto keyword to create one auto storage class. Like in example program, we have one local variable a whose existence is within these curly braces. So we can use the auto keyword to create one variable of the auto storage class. Next we have the register storage class. The register storage class defines local variables and the compiler tries to store that in a register of the microprocessor, because the variables stored in a register instead of memory, which makes it faster during the runtime of the program. Like in example, we create one register storage class variable with the register keyword, then the data type and then the variable name, and the variable will be available locally within these curly braces. So in this example program we have one local variable within these curly braces. So we can make that local variable as a register storage class variable by using the register keyword. So I'm gonna use the register keyword, and by doing so we are making that variable a as a register storage class variable. So the compiler will try to store that variable in the register of the microprocessor. So hope you understand about the register storage class and the auto storage class. In the next video we are going to talk about extern storage class, static storage class and mutable storage class. So hope you understand about the concept of storage classes in C++ programming. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.